Hey, health enthusiasts. Today, I've got an exciting topic to discuss with you that could potentially transform your well-being. We're diving into the world of plant-based diets and how they can be the ultimate wellness boost you need. So, what exactly is a plant-based diet? Well, it's all about focusing on whole, unrefined plant foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds while minimizing or eliminating animal products. And guess what? This way of eating is gaining popularity in mainstream culture for all the right reasons. Let's face it, many of us struggle with health issues due to poor dietary choices and a lack of essential nutrients. From feeling sluggish and overweight to battling chronic diseases, our food choices play a significant role in our overall well-being. But fear not, there's a solution on the horizon: the plant-based diet. Now, let's delve into the numerous benefits of adopting a plant-based diet. Not only can it increase your energy levels and aid in weight loss, but it also reduces the risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By fueling your body with nutrient-dense plant foods, you're giving yourself the best chance at a vibrant and healthy life. Imagine waking up each day feeling more energized and vibrant than ever before. Picture yourself enjoying meals that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that fuel your body and mind. The key to this transformation lies in the incredible benefits of a plant-based diet. Studies have shown that incorporating more plant-based foods can lead to reduced inflammation, improved cardiovascular health, and enhanced mental clarity. This isn't just about avoiding certain foods, it's about embracing a lifestyle that nourishes your entire being. In summary, a plant-based diet isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that can revolutionize your health. By incorporating more plant foods into your meals, you're not only nourishing your body but also contributing to a more sustainable and compassionate world. The benefits are endless, and the impact on your overall wellness is undeniable. So, here's my challenge to you: why not try adding more plant-based meals to your diet and see how you feel? I encourage you to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Together, we can embrace the power of plants and embark on a journey to a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.